Welcome back to another episode of English Cooking, where I teach you English through cooking. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm so excited. Today we're going to make silver dollars. Silver dollars. Want to get rich? Let's make some silver dollars together. Now, silver dollars are also called cottage fries, okay, or circle fries. Do you know what a cottage is? A cottage is a small house somewhere out in nature, maybe by a lake, that is often a second property. Like if you're rich, unlike me, I wish I had a cottage. Okay, some rich people have a main house, maybe in the city, somewhere, and then they have like a summer cottage, maybe out by a lake. So they spend the summers in their cottage by the lake. Do you have a summer cottage? So a cottage is just like a very simple house. It could be like maybe a cabin. But it could also be made out of like normal. It could be like a normal house. Like a log cabin is also something that might be at a lake, but a log cabin is made out of wood, logs, right? A cottage might be made out of bricks or something like that. Anyway, so these have different names. Silver dollars, or cottage fries, or circle fries. Let's get started, guys. So what do you need for this recipe? You need some spuds. These are spuds. Another word for potato is spud. So we're just going to use 3 spuds, and let's get cracking. Let's get cracking means let's start. Why are we wasting time? Let's get cracking. So we're just going to cut slices of spuds. We're going to cut our spuds into slices, and we're just going to put them into a bowl. I just got a bowl here, guys. You're going to go like that. All right, so we're just going to cut our slices of spuds. And do you like spuds? I love spuds, guys. Fried spuds or French fries. So these, like I said, these can be called circle fries because they're a circle. They're like French fries, but they're in a circle. I don't know why they're called cottage fries. Maybe people eat these at their cottage? I'm not sure. But, like I said, you can also call them silver dollars. So, we just made some silver dollars, guys. I mean, not yet. We cut the spuds into silver dollars. Now, you know what, guys? Let's cut this spud into wedges. Do you know what a wedge is? I'll show you. Right? You take your knife, you cut it like this, and you cut it like that. There you go. There's a wedge, right? Whoops. That's it's going to become a potato wedge. It's that shape. It's kind of a triangle, kind of a shape there. It's called a potato wedge. Let's make some wedges, guys. Let me just make this spud into wedges. And not wedgie. Wedgie means something completely different. A wedgie is where you go behind someone, you come up behind someone, and you see their underwear sticking up a little bit, and you grab their underwear from behind. You're behind them, right? You grab their underwear and you pull their underwear up. Like by their underwear, right? And you give them a wedgie. You give them a wedgie. That's what a wedgie is. Have you ever given someone a wedgie? We use the word give. or the verb to give someone a wedgie. Has anyone ever given you a wedgie? Okay, so that's what a wedgie is. This is just a wedge, not a wedgie. So if you make that mistake, if you go to a restaurant and you order some wedgies, well, don't blame me. I warned you. Maybe the cook will sneak up behind you at the restaurant and give you a wedgie. All right, so what should we do with our third spud? Let's just cut it into some French fries. Do you guys like French fries? So we're just going to cut it like that. And we're just going to slice a few French fries here, guys. There you go. That's some French fries. What's your favorite kind of spud, or what's your favorite way that spuds are cooked? Is it, I mean, would you rather have a silver dollar or a wedge or a fry, French fry? All right, so guys, look at that. We got our assorted spuds. Assorted just means kind of a mix, right? And then we're going to grab some olive oil. Okay, look at that. So we're going to dump some olive oil in there. And let's get some spices. Let's add some salt. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, I don't know, to taste. Very often recipes call for something like salt to taste. It doesn't give you a measurement. It leaves it up to you. That's what to taste means. So if it says add some pepper to taste, that means just however much you want. It's up to you. So let's just do it to taste, guys. You say when. When means stop. Okay, if I say when, that means you tell me when to stop. And you have to use the word when. Okay, I'm listening for you to say the word when. Oh, I heard you. Okay, that's enough. All right, so let's add some cayenne pepper, red cayenne pepper, also to taste. And I'm not measuring anything here, guys. Let's add about that much. Now let's add some garlic powder. Garlic powder. I love garlic, guys. Let's just add a little bit like that. And guys, let's just mix it up. There we go. Just get your hands right in there. You know, just grab a little bit here and there and just mix it all the way up. Get it all nicely coated with the olive oil and the spices, right? And you can preheat your oven at this point. I preheated my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know, in your country, do you use Fahrenheit or Celsius? Here in North America, all recipes are in Fahrenheit. Sometimes you might see something listed in Celsius, but usually it's Fahrenheit, okay? So we're just gonna do that, and there it is, guys. That's it. Now I already made a batch, and it's waiting for me in the oven, because I didn't want to waste your time leaving it half an hour. You just put it in there for about 20 minutes or half an hour to cook. But I didn't want to waste your time, because I appreciate the time you already give me. Thank you guys very much. I hope my videos don't waste your time. I respect your time, and I'm just gonna wash off my hands here. All right, look at this, guys. Our spuds, silver dollars. Let's see. Okay, look at there. There's a silver dollar, guys, and there's a wedge, not wedgie, a wedge. And there's a French fry, guys. That's not a wedge. You can see it's just a normal French fry. Oh, they smell. I love the smell of fried potatoes or baked. These are baked. You can deep fry them. I don't have a deep fryer. Deep fryer means you have a machine with a lot of oil and you put the potatoes deep in the oil. Anyway, there it is, guys. So let's get a plate. All right, just get yourself a plate. Let's get some ketchup. Let's decorate the plate. All right, you know how they do it at fancy restaurants? They kind of decorate the plate with something. Here we go, guys. Let's decorate that plate. And let's, here's our nicely decorated plate. Guys, now let's put a silver dollar right in the middle. And let's put a wedge. Get that nice wedge. Let's put a wedge right there. And French fry like this. Nice. Guys, look at that. That would sell at a restaurant for like 15 bucks. Look at that nicely decorated plate. You could sell that at a restaurant for 15 bucks. Now, if you want to charge 20 bucks, then you need some garnish. Let's garnish this plate. I've got some garnish here. We're going to garnish it with a slice of cantaloupe. Look at that. We're going to garnish. The word garnish can be a verb or a noun or maybe an adjective. Okay, so I said we need to garnish this plate. So now we're going to garnish it. That means add some useless food items to make the plate look nice. You know, when you go to a restaurant, there's always something useless on the plate that nobody eats, but it kind of makes the plate look nice, adds a bit of color. Because see, right now, okay, it's kind of bland. There's just red and yellow. Well, we want to add some orange to the plate. So we're going to add some garnish. So we're going to garnish the plate, and these little useless things are garnish. So it's a noun. It can be a noun or a verb. Get it? Or maybe an adjective. We could say this is a garnished plate. Garnished plate. I think maybe it could be an adjective as well. I don't know. So you'll want to get a sprig of parsley. This is a sprig of parsley. Okay, and we're just going to put it right like that. Ooh, look at that, guys. There's your $25 meal at a restaurant. Look at that. Wow. Oh, that is amazing. Well, guys, I want to give you the first bite because you're my honored guest. So which do you want? Do you want the silver dollar or the wedge or the fry? I'll give you the silver dollar, guys. So here, take a bite. Get it nicely lathered in ketchup. Lather means, it's like if you're, when you're washing clothes, you need to, you want to get the clothes nice and soapy, right? The water nice and soapy, and really wash the clothes. That's kind of what lather means. Okay, you wash the clothes, you get all the soapy stuff. Well, we want to get this potato lathered in ketchup. Okay, so I'm going to get it lathered in ketchup, and I'm going to give you the first bite of silver dollar. That's great, guys. I love potatoes. What did you think? Was it good? Here, I'll give you some wedge. Not a wedgie. I'll give you a wedge. What do you think? Is it good? Oh, man. We don't need the garnish, guys. that was just to increase the price of our meal to $25. I'm not going to eat it. Nobody eats that. Would you, let me honestly tell me, would you eat a sprig of parsley at a restaurant? I don't know, guys. Man, that's really good, guys. I added the perfect amount of seasoning. All these spices put together can be called seasoning, right? That's it, guys. Let me know. Do you love silver dollars or wedges? Which one do you like better? Thank you so much, guys, for joining me in this video. I should swallow before I keep talking, right? While I'm chewing, you can smash that like button if you want. But guys, thank you very much. I love you so much. Hope you're doing great. Hope you make some spuds today. Just party, guys. It's a great day. Have some spuds. Just enjoy, relax, make yourself some spuds, and enjoy the evening like I'm going to do. So guys, thank you very much for joining me. Really appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you over in the next episode of English Cooking. Take care.